Modern batteries have increasingly specific performance requirements, and choosing the right acetylene carbon black has proven to be a key factor in meeting them. We will compare two types of carbon black to highlight the importance of selecting a suitable dispersion technique. First, the precise amount of carbon black is weighed. Next, the carbon blacks are mixed into a solvent to ensure even particle distribution during the pre-dispersion phase. Here, we take a first sample for characterization. Differences can already be seen in the pre-dispersion stage, which is also reflected in the further processing of the slurry through the addition of active material. Both carbon blacks are processed using identical parameters, yet only one results in a good quality slurry. The second carbon black is not inherently inferior. Each carbon black simply requires a specific dispersion method and level of shear energy, therefore relying on deep know-how. When we add the second carbon black along with the same materials to a machine like a double planetary mixer, we achieve a well-dispersed, homogeneous slurry. Slurry quality is typically assessed using rheological measurements. However, to better visualize the differences, we also perform a tilt test. Here you can see that Carbon Black 1 is easy to use without any adjustments. Carbon Black 2 is also a good product. It simply requires some process modification, like switching from a dissolver to a DPM to achieve a good result. All these methods help determine how finely and evenly the carbon black is distributed in the slurry. Thanks to its excellent electrical conductivity, well-dispersed carbon black forms a three-dimensional network that efficiently transfers electrons from the active material to the current collector. Behind every high-performing battery lies the magical triangle. It starts with selecting the right conductive carbon black to ensure optimal conductivity, achieving precise dispersion targets by controlling solids content and viscosity, mastering the process with the right device, mixing order, and shear energy. Together, these three elements deliver maximum performance, safety, and long life.